Hey guys, so to calculate your carbon footprint, you're going to be on this website right here. You're going to go ahead and click take the first step. And then when it asks for your email or anything like that, you can really put in anything you want. It doesn't really matter. We're going to go ahead and click submit. We're waiting for it. Okay, so as you go through these things, if you click add details to improve accuracy, it's going to bring you to these. You can absolutely do this if you want to. It's going to give you a lot more specific information that's going to allow you guys to make a more accurate carbon footprint. Okay, so we can just go ahead and go through this. We can say whatever we want. And then we're going to go ahead and just keep clicking through our arrows until it's all filled out. So you're going to obviously want to adjust everything in here so that it matches yours, so that you get an accurate description. And I already did this. My pictures are in the thing at the very end. So if I don't change anything, it looks like I'm going to have about 4.3 Earths. This right here is going to pop up. We don't really care about that. We can either exit out or just leave it. Excuse me, guys. So it's going to give us 4.3 Earths, and we can look up more information. So it looks like on average the US is at about 5, Germany is about 3.2, and Brazil is about 1.8. So we can look at that information just to kind of see where we fall. We can go ahead and click see more details. And if we click see more details, this is where you're going to get to that screen that shows you by land type, by consumption category, and then it's going to give you some of this extra information down here. And then we can go ahead and click explore solutions, and it's going to give us just a few things that we can go ahead and scroll through and find something that we could use as a solution. Okay? All right, so that should be a quick summary of that. If you have any questions, make sure you guys